Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition replacement AC climate control panel that fits a variety of General Motors vehicles, including Chevrolet, Cadillac, and GMC from about 1996 to 2000. This is going to include vehicles such as the Cadillac Escalade, the C1500 Suburban, as well as the Tahoe, and the K1500. So this panel here, if we take a look, you can see this is the complete AC control panel. You control fan speed here, temperature here, airflow position here. This is to turn the actual AC on and off, and this is for recirculating air. If we flip this over, you'll see the factory electrical connector here. The installation is pretty straightforward. You'll see here that there's a clip over here, a clip over here. This unclips from the dash, electrical connector comes out, and you'll install in the reverse order. If you guys have any questions about this part, whether it fits your vehicle or how to install it, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.